What's going on, my good people? It's your boy Jay Fry, letting you know about this Aura Ease Migraine Relief Mask. I'm going to tell you some of the things I like about it, dislike, or maybe just wish were a little bit different, and if it was worth buying or not. But before we get started, I need you to help your boy out by subscribing to my channel and sharing this video with at least one other person. This is one of those videos you can share with just about anybody because you never know who may need to see it. I'm just saying. Let's go. So I don't have any migraine issues to the point where I need a migraine relief mask, but I do from time to time have a little eye pain, or should I say eye fatigue, but nothing serious enough to have me out here looking for a migraine relief mask or nothing like that. With that being said, I did absolutely no research on any mask or even knew that I desired to have one. I actually just came across this one browsing on the HSA store, which is your health savings account, something you get through your insurance. But anyway, when I first saw the mask on there, it looked like one of those VR headsets. So I clicked on it, read about it, and kept it moving. But after later visiting the site and actually seeing it pop up on other browsers, because you know how the cookies follow you, I went back to the HSA store, there it was again, and I purchased it. I paid $199 for this mask. Was it actually worth it? Man, just continue to stick around and find out my opinion. Also, leave a comment, let me know if you think it's too much or not, or if you have a similar mask, let me know if it works for you or not and which one you purchased. Alright, so to get a better idea about the mask, let's check out some of the features and the settings. I'm just going to read it off the box. So you do have this Ease Migraine Relief Mask. Let's take a look at the box that it comes in. Yeah. Upside down. Yeah. So it says soothing and relaxing therapy, reduces eye strain, dark rings, and dry eyes, relieves migraines, relieves facial stress. All those things sound pretty good to me. Has 5 unique massage modes, have your Bluetooth, music, and a long-lasting battery. So music plus a Bluetooth feature, that's actually what it says. That's actually pretty cool. And it also has compression plus heat. The heat is supposed to get up to like 107 degrees. It also has your pulsing option for additional therapy. That's pretty much it. So as far as the modes, I actually like the compression with the heat. I hardly ever use the music or the vibration. The battery, I usually get about 2 or 3 uses out of it before I charge it. I just hadn't pushed it to see how many I can get. After I finish using, I'll charge it up. The heat, I think it actually gets to 107 degrees. You know, once I take that mask off, sometimes, you know, it'll be a little sweaty right in there, but hey, it's all right. As far as the likes and the dislikes, first off, I actually like that it helps in reducing some of my eye strain and relieves some facial stress. I mean, that's a part of the reason for having it, so that's a win for me. Each session is about 15 minutes, and sometimes I do them back to back. I've even got to the point where I'm so relaxed I don't even want to take the mask off. And it even tells you not to remove the mask or open your eyes for at least a minute once the session is over. The look and the feel of the mask seems to be a good quality, well put together, as it should be for $199. Having the different treatment options with the music, heat, and consistent compression, man, that's a plus for me also. It even comes with a remote. But how I'm supposed to see the remote with the mask on my face? I guess I'm just gonna have to figure that out for myself. But that leads me to some of the things I dislike about it, or I think that could be a little bit different. So I don't know if the mask is too small, just designed like this, or if my face is too big. Because once it's doing a compression thing, it never seems to make it all the way to the part of the temple where I want it to be. You know, it doesn't cover the area that I think it should. I don't know. It might work for you, but it don't work for me. Now I don't know if this is good or bad, or if it's just me, but when you first power on the mask, I feel the compression on my eyes and nose are a little bit too much. But it goes away after a few minutes or so. It could just be that you need to set the straps on here properly and set it on your face. Once you get that figured out, you'll be okay. That's a reminder that if you wear contacts, you need to take your contacts off. So overall, I actually like the mask. Although I haven't tried another mask to compare it to, I think it's worth having. Would I have paid $199 for it? Nope. But am I glad I did? Yep. But that's just me. Now, if you don't want to spend that type of money on the mask, you can actually find a similar one on Amazon that are HSA and FSA approved, and will also have some of the same features, if not all. Probably a lot cheaper, but not sure if it'll have the same quality. But hey, you get you one. Just click on the link below and it'll take you to a similar mask. Now let's turn this thing on and put it to work, see how it works.
Welcome to your Aura Ease. Air pressure plus heat. Bluetooth connected. Air pressure plus heat and vibration. Air pressure only. Heat only. Vibration only.
I forgot to tell you that vibration. If you're trying to use this before you go to sleep and you got your significant other or your spouse beside you, this is relaxing to you, but for them, it's a no-go. Yeah, that's annoying, but it feels good.
Air pressure plus heat. Air pressure plus heat and vibration. Thank you for your use.
Yeah, that thing pretty cool. So, like I said, overall, I think it's worth having. I actually use it and it works. Get you one similar to it if you feel like you need it. Appreciate you for checking out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to hit the bell. And go check out another video. Help your boy out. Alright now.